Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop your birthday being announced on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right hand side, and then click on your profile or your name at the top. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see your about info, so you want to click on that, and then again scroll down and you should see basic info, and you just want to select edit on the right hand side. And once you're on here, you should see date of birth at the top, so it'll give you the date and month and also the year. So all you need to do is make this private or select only me, and again with the year select only me. You could obviously select friends if you wish to do so, but if you want to stop Facebook announcing it's your birthday, just make sure it's set to only me, and then just select save on the top right hand side, and that'll keep your birthday private. Thanks for watching.